There appears to be strong demand for compact flagship phones in China, with more brands rumored to launch such devices in the coming months. This year, the Vivo X300, Xiaomi 16 Pro Mini, Honor Magic 8 Mini, Oppo Find X9s, and OnePlus 15T in China. A recent report also revealed that iQOO is developing its own compact flagship phone. OnePlus and iQOO are set to compete in the compact flat-screen smartphone segment in 2026. While the rumor mill refers to OnePlus offering as the OnePlus 15T, though it is speculated to be part of the iQOO 15 series. Therefore, it remains to be seen whether it will be called the iQOO 15 Mini or iQOO 15T. The compact flagships from OnePlus and iQOO will feature flat displays with ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensors and are currently being tested with large batteries of around 7,000 mAh capacity. Both devices may feature the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 chipset. OnePlus is expected to unveil the OnePlus 15T in April 2026. Meanwhile, the iQOO's compact phone may debut alongside the iQOO 15 Ultra. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.